hurts. No, you don't know how much it hurts. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands, and I won't.
Hi guys, welcome to the house. It's me, Stacy, and I got a quick little unpackaging I want to share with you guys that I got in today. It was actually going to be a part of a haul that I had planned for you guys for this Saturday coming, but I just couldn't wait. I wanted to see what this package was all about. I received the package from the Hotel Collections. Their link is going to be down in the description box along with the items that I received from them. And what I chose was the Midnight in Paris Reed Diffuser and a Midnight in Paris white candle. They also sent, along with that, a $100 wine voucher. They know you, girl. This is the box the diffuser comes in. Okay. Very pretty, very sleek, very classy. It's a very satin black, nice packaging, nice, really nice packaging. Okay. The reed. They give you 6 reeds that come with your liquid. And again, this is how it looks. Look at that. That is class on top of class. Very classy, very unique. Won't say unique because it's just classy. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. This smells divine. And when you want ready to put it, you just pop this top off. Okay, and the oil is under it, but I'm not going to do that right now. Just replace this until I'm ready. This is the pieces, again, that comes with the reed set. And for the candle, it came in this box. And both boxes came in that larger box over there. I'm glad they did that. So my items would not be damaged. And the candle come in this nice little satin sack. Very nice packaging. And this is the white signature series. Also within the Midnight in Paris theme. Honey. Honey. When I tell you. Smell vision activate. Here you go. I'll give you a couple of seconds to breathe it in. Look at the packaging. The white with the gold, black label with gold embossing. That's hot in and of itself. But the smell, the aroma, it's not even lit and it's lightening up the room. This candle is amazing, you guys. And I'm not just telling you that just to be telling you that, because if something smelled like woohoo, I would tell you that too. Trust and believe. But this is very nice. I was trying to see if it had the burn time. No, I don't see. It has some other writing down there, but I can't make out without my other glasses on. But this is really, really nice, you guys. I am well pleased. So, the link for these products, right here. The candle and the diffuser will be in my description box if you are interested, and you would not be disappointed. I promise you, you would not be disappointed. These are forever candles. These are candles that you burn when you want to take your mind into another place after your place is quiet and you just need some alone time, some me time. This is it. This is it. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for you today for this quick little show and tell. But I will be back on Thursday with an actual home decor haul my days are running together. It means I need some time off. But I'll be back for you Saturday with a home decor haul. I hope you would join me. Don't forget, Saturday, home decor haul here at Design and Style with Stacy. And I hope you're going to like it. If not, maybe you'll like something in the next one. Okay? Either way, I got to go now, guys. Stay woke. Stay prayed up. Continue to be who you are, sweetheart, because nobody can beat you at being you but you. You are uniquely made. You matter and you're special. And don't let anybody else tell you different. All right? Peace out.